Hey there, healthy eaters! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious farro salad in just 5 easy steps. Let's get started. First up, the dressing. In a bowl, whisk together 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 finely chopped garlic clove, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Set that aside. Next, grab a large pot and bring some water to a boil. Add a tablespoon of sea salt and 1 cup of Italian farro. Simmer until tender, about 20-25 minutes. Drain, rinse with cold water and set it aside. Now preheat your broiler and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Rub a red or yellow bell pepper with a teaspoon of olive oil and roast it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, turning once. When the skin chars and starts to fall off, place the pepper in a bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes. Peel off the skin, remove the stem and seeds, then slice into thin strips. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked farro, pepper strips, 1/2 cup of pitted and quartered green olives, 2 thinly sliced green onions, and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh oregano. Pour the dressing over and gently mix. Season with more salt if needed. And there you have it. A tasty farro salad that's perfect for a healthy meal. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.